Welcome to the ultimate guide to OKX, a leading cryptocurrency trading and staking platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, OKX offers a seamless way to trade, stake, and grow your cryptocurrency portfolio. Start by navigating the sleek homepage, where you'll find quick links to various features, including markets, trading options, and staking. OKX boasts competitive fees, real-time trading tools, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for both spot trading and futures. After signing up using the link in the description, you'll unlock a new user bonus and can begin exploring the platform's tools. For trading, the Markets section provides a detailed overview of price movements, trading volumes, and the latest trends. Choose your preferred trading pair and use the easy-to-understand trading dashboard to place buy or sell orders. The platform supports advanced options like limit orders and margin trading for those looking for a more dynamic experience. Staking on OKX is another standout feature. Under the Earn tab, you'll find staking pools with varying APYs. Simply select the asset you wish to stake, review the terms, and start earning passive income in just a few clicks. For beginners, OKX's educational resources and demo trading features are excellent tools to practice and refine your strategies. If you're interested in passive income, consider leveraging the staking and earning options available directly through your dashboard. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Don't miss the chance to explore OKX and enhance your crypto trading experience today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips, and give this video a like to support the content.